Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you the sum function in Excel. I'll show you the different methods of sum function. So in my sheet 1, in my spreadsheet, we can see two different numbers in two different cells, 8 and 7. So if I want to add this up, what I'll have to do, I have to give the formula. So we should always remember that the key of using formula in Excel is always use an equal sign in front of the formula. So I will give equal sign and I'll write 8 plus 7, hit the enter button. It gives me the result. It's 15. Okay, so here I have to write the numbers. Instead of writing numbers on formula bar, we can also select the cells for add this up. First I should delete it, then I will write equal, and then I'm selecting the cell which is containing the number 8. It is A1, and I'll give the plus sign. Selecting the cells 7, it is B1, hit the enter button. It gives me the same result which we got previous time. So it's 15. In my sheet we can see that there are only two numbers. What if we have many numbers in my spreadsheet and I have to add this up? So let's jump into sheet 2. In sheet 2, in my spreadsheet, we can see there are two columns, which is products and products sold. In products sold column, we can see many numbers. So to add this up, I have to give the formula. I'll give first equal sign, and I will write sum, as I want to get the sum result of these numbers. So I'll write sum, just wrote sum, and give an open parenthesis. I'll select the whole cells containing the numbers. I'll give the close parenthesis, hit the enter button. 347, the sum result of products sold numbers, 347. Here is another method. Instead of writing formula, I just only have to click on an option. So in home tab, in editing menu, we can find an option auto sum. First I should delete it. Let's try it for once. I just have to select the whole cells and I have to click on auto sum. It gives me the sum result of this product sold, 347. In formula bar, we can also find this option auto sum. Let's try it once again. Just delete this and just select the whole cells and click on auto sum. It gives me the same result which we got previous time, 347. So guys, that was for today. Thanks for watching.